Get ready to level up your gaming setup. We're diving into the top 7 monitors that'll take your PC gaming experience to the next level. From ultra-wide behemoths to OLED marvels, these displays are designed to deliver stunning visuals and lightning-fast response times. Let's count down the list of the best gaming monitors on the market, starting with our number 1 pick. First up is the LG 32G x870A-B Ultragear 4K UHD gaming monitor. The LG 32G x870A-B Ultragear 4K UHD gaming monitor is a top-tier gaming display that offers an unbeatable combination of performance and features. One of its standout innovations is its dual-mode capability, which allows you to switch seamlessly between 4K UHD at 240Hz for graphically rich games or Full HD at 480Hz for fast-paced FPS, MOBA, or racing games with the touch of a hotkey. This monitor's impressive specs also translate into a smoother gaming experience. With its nearly instantaneous 0.03 milliseconds response time and VISA Display HDR True Black 400 certification, you'll enjoy reduced lag and ghosting, as well as stunning visual details in dark scenes. Plus, its micro-lens Array Plus technology ensures vibrant brightness and contrast, making it perfect for extended gaming sessions. Next one on the list is the Samsung Odyssey OLED G8 gaming monitor. So what makes this monitor so special? Well, let's start with the picture quality. The QD-OLED tech gives you an insane 4K resolution, and it really shows. The brightness is incredibly high at 250 nits, which means colors and details pop even in bright rooms. And if you're playing games or watching movies, the 240Hz refresh rate will have your eyes moving so smoothly, you'll forget you're even gaming. But it's not just about graphics. This monitor is also designed for performance. The cooling system is a game changer. Instead of using an old graphite sheet method, they've introduced pulsating heat pipes that actually help prevent burn-in. And with algorithms that predict the surface temperature, the brightness will automatically adjust to keep everything running smoothly and cool. After that, we've got the ASUS ROG Swift 4K gaming monitor. The ASUS ROG Swift 4K gaming monitor is a powerhouse for serious gamers. Let's dive into some of its key features that make it stand out. For instance, this monitor boasts an incredible 240Hz refresh rate and just 0.03 milliseconds response time. That's lightning-fast motion rendering. Folks, you'll experience smoother gameplay, reduced screen tearing, and more realistic visuals. Another notable feature is the monitor's advanced heat management system, which includes a custom heatsink and graphene film to keep temperatures in check. This means less risk of burn-in, ensuring your display stays healthy for years to come. With features like Display Widget Center and VISA Display HDR 400 compliance, you'll get top-notch color accuracy and HDR performance that's simply stunning. After that, we've got the KTC 4K gaming monitor. The KTC 4K gaming monitor stands out with its exceptional 3840 by 2160 resolution, providing you with truly stunning and lifelike images. The fast IPS panel ensures a smooth gaming experience, thanks to adaptive sync technology and a 160Hz refresh rate, perfect for minimizing those pesky screen tears. One of the standout features of this monitor is its vibrant color display, with an impressive 140% sRGB color gamut area and 1000:1 contrast ratio. This means you'll enjoy rich, accurate colors that bring your games to life. With a carbon fiber back cover and ergonomic design, it's clear that KTC has put thought into creating a monitor that balances performance and practicality. Next one on the list is the INNOCN OLED 2K QHD gaming monitor. This INNOCN monitor is a serious gamer's dream come true. With its 500Hz refresh rate, you'll feel like you're right in the game, responding to action with lightning-fast speed. The QD-OLED panel delivers incredibly detailed visuals and lifelike colors, making for an immersive gaming experience. What really sets this monitor apart is its connectivity. You've got plenty of options to hook up your laptop, Mac, or gaming console. It's also compatible with all the major GSYNC technologies, so you can enjoy a tear-free experience without any hassle. And let's not forget those stylish LED atmosphere lights, which add an extra layer of depth to the gaming experience and make for some seriously cool visuals. After that, we've got the LG 32GS95UE Ultragear OLED gaming monitor. This LG Ultragear OLED gaming monitor offers the ultimate gaming experience. With its 4K UHD Ultragear display at an incredible 240Hz refresh rate, you'll be immersed in smooth and ultra-fast visuals that make even the most intense games feel buttery. One of the standout features is the incredibly low response time, just 0.03 milliseconds. This means less lag or ghosting on screen, so you can react faster to whatever's happening in your game. Additionally, this monitor supports NVIDIA GSYNC compatible and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro, ensuring that you get a virtually tear-free gaming experience with no missing frames or stuttering. Finally, number 7, the MSI MPG 321URX QD-OLED gaming monitor. This QD-OLED monitor from MSI offers a jaw-dropping viewing experience with its 31.5-inch UHD panel. One of the standout features is its incredible color accuracy. With delta E less than or equal to 2, it's essentially on par with the best professional-grade monitors you can buy. That level of color precision is a game-changer for anyone serious about graphics work or gaming, where even the slightest hue shift can throw off entire scenes. But what really sets this monitor apart is its responsiveness. With a GTG response time of just 0.03 milliseconds and a 240 Hz refresh rate, you're looking at silky smooth motion that'll make even the most demanding games look stunning. It's time to wrap up our Amazon finds countdown. If you're still searching for a great deal on any of these incredible products, be sure to check out the links in our description below. Grab the one that fits your needs and budget. Happy shopping!